I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you're looking to enable transaction alerts on your TD 2026, follow these simple steps to get started. Step 1. Log into your account. Open your TD online banking app or website and enter your login credentials to access your account. Step 2. Navigate to alerts. Once logged in, find the alert section in the main menu. This is usually located under settings or account services. Step 3. Select transaction alerts. In the alert section, look for transaction alerts and click on it. This will take you to the alert setup page. Step 4. Customize your alerts. Choose the types of transactions you want to be alerted about, such as deposits, withdrawals, or purchases. You can also set the frequency of these alerts. Quick gotcha, make sure to check the email or SMS option to receive your alerts, or you might miss important notifications. Step 5. Save your settings. After customizing your alerts, don't forget to click Save to apply the changes. You should see a confirmation message once the settings are updated. Now you're all set to receive transaction alerts on your TD 2026. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out. Happy banking!